which I'm going to give you. Yeah. And this one is, as you all know, lemongrass. And this is called pandan leaf. Pandanus. Pandan leaf. Pandan leaf. Here we have lime, fish lime, sliced green chili, tomato, onions. Then this is chopped garlic, chopped ginger. This is again lemongrass and pandan leaf. Ceylon cinnamon. There's cinnamon in the world. Here we have the spices. This is black mustard seed. Then cinnamon again, fenugreek or dill seeds, turmeric, chili powder, salt, black pepper powder, roasted curry powder, and raw curry powder, chili powder, and chili peas. Awesome. Yeah. Originally it's eggplant or brinjal. First I am going to start with the brinjal pahi. Pahi is a Sinhalese word. That means it's with less gravy, a sort of dry curry. And this is also a vegetable oil. In commercial use, we use vegetable oil, corn oil or palm oil. In domestic use, we use coconut oil. This is vegetable oil. Yeah. I'm going to put 2 spoons of oil. Then little sliced onions. Then garlic. Little piece of green chili. That's optional. If you want a very mild curry, you don't have to add chili. Then few curry leaves. Then stir it. Then get 1/4 teaspoon of mustard, black mustard seeds. Till saute or temper. Slice garlic, onion, curry leaves. Now add the aubergine. And chili powder. And then cinnamon sticks. Then black roasted curry powder and raw curry powder, dash of chili, and little salt, and now I'm going to get 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And now this is bit sour in taste. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now it's sweet and sour.